Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay at the pump. First, ensure your iPhone or Apple Watch is set up with Apple Pay and a valid payment card. Look for the contactless payment symbol, which often looks like 4 curved lines, on the gas pump's payment terminal. Once you've located it, select your desired fuel grade and follow the on-screen prompts to initiate the payment process. This prepares you for a quick and secure transaction. To make your payment, simply hold your iPhone near the contactless reader on the pump. If you're using an Apple Watch, double-click the side button and hold the watch face near the reader. You'll then need to authenticate your purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or by entering your passcode. Wait for a confirmation message on your device and the pump screen, indicating that your payment has been successfully processed. This usually takes just a few seconds. After your payment is confirmed, you can proceed to pump your fuel. Remove the nozzle from its holder and insert it securely into your vehicle's fuel tank. Squeeze the handle to begin dispensing the fuel. The pump will automatically stop when your tank is full or when you reach your pre-selected amount. Once finished, replace the nozzle, and if you need a record, collect your receipt from the pump. It's a straightforward and efficient process. Using Apple Pay at the pump offers several advantages. You benefit from enhanced security and privacy, as your card number is never shared with the merchant. Transactions are often much faster than swiping a physical card, saving you valuable time. A quick tip: always ensure your device is sufficiently charged before heading to the gas station to guarantee a seamless and convenient fueling experience. Enjoy the ease of contactless payment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.